Not yet. I'm just trying to get these.
No. We gotta get it up and running. I want to see how these things are working.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
All right. I guess that's what we're doing then.
All right.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. Let's get this
do
done. Come
Lot
on.
to do today.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
But...
So you take that one. I'll take this one.
All right.
Hi, I'm Jordan Smith from Rapido Trains Inc. I'm the president and CEO of the company, and I'm here with
Janet Golfman, CFO of Rapido Trains Inc. But Jordan, you know you're not really the president.
Hi, I'm Jordan Smith, president and CEO of Rapido Trains Inc. And I'm here with
Janet Golfman, CFO of Rapido Trains Inc.
So today we're looking at our newly arrived B36-7s. We've got 4 of our samples here. We're going to unbox them and give you a look.
All right.
Okay, let's get that there. So as you can see, we've got our very cool manual. Looks like General Electric would do.
I wonder if there's any humor in here.
I would probably bet on that. We've got our exploded parts diagram. You can kind of read that. And some other ads. Let's take the foam off here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see all the parts. Yeah, we got everything listed there. So got the little shoes for the trucks to keep them lined up. Put this aside. All right, so let's take this foam out. Keeps those new metal handrails protected, keeping them from getting bent.
It's really sad that CSX retired their last B36-7 in November of 2009.
All right. Good job.
This is a bittersweet moment for me.
Wow, this is awesome. That's awesome.
It really is
There's
awesome.
so much detail on here.
I love these etched metal windshield wipers.
Yeah, they turned out really nicely. Beautiful. That's awesome. Okay, so next I'll get you to open the Santa Fe -7.
Now, do these have the Stratolite Beacon on them? Because I specifically asked for that.
Yes, they do,
Oh,
actually.
thank goodness.
All right.
All right.
And I'm going to grab the SP.
Let me see underneath there.
Here we got tons of detail.
Look at that chassis detail. Look at that traction motor cabling.
Yeah, this is awesome. All right. Well, let's get all this packaging out of the way and get a closer look. All right. Very nice. All right, I really need my pointer. Have you got anything I can use there?
I'll just use this.
All right then. All right, so this is the NS model. We've got dual NS horns. Those are 5 chimes. We've got the bell mounted correctly on the long hood.
Are those firecracker antennas?
They are actually. Good job.
Fantastic.
Excellent. Radiator roof. We've got the etched metal grates. We've got the exhaust stack there. There's all those firecracker antennas. We've got separately applied wind deflectors on both sides of the cab window. Again, all those etched metal windshield wipers. Sunshades. Very cool stuff.
Is that thoroughbred anatomically correct?
I don't believe so, but
okay.
yeah. So anyway, that's the NS model, long hood forward. Next, let's go to Conrail. So this is the Conrail B36. We've got really cool features like the correct marker lights. Both ends, they operate as well.
Look at the handrails with the stanchions, plastic injected around them.
Yep, around the metal railing. They're beautiful. We've got the snow plows. We've got operating number boards, which, right with the headlight right in the center there. We've got Sinclair antennas. This is the end of train antenna.
The Sinclair antennas, they are something.
They are really neat.
Yeah.
Yep.
And the Southern Pacific?
Yeah, the Southern Pacific. This is my personal favorite.
I can see why.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
It is. It is. It's that lovely color. We've got the UDE lights on both ends, mounted right above the headlights. We've got the Gyralites, which operate. Now on the front end, we've got the UDE light that will actually operate in case you ever have an emergency brake application.
I did want to know that.
Oh, excellent.
Thank you for answering that question.
All right.
But what's going on here with the snubber obsession? There's only supposed to be 2 snubbers.
Yeah, so apparently the factory installed too many snubbers on these units. So what we can do, you can either try and remove the snubbers, the extra snubbers off your engine, or we are going to make replacement side frames, and they're going to be coming in January. So just drop us a line, send us an email, and we'll set you up with replacements there.
So our SP customers shouldn't snub our models because we'll correct our issues. I was admiring the underbody, but I don't think our customers got to see it. So let's have a look.
All right, let me grab that there. As we always say, our locomotives and passenger cars look best when they're derailed and upside down in a ditch, so let's have a look. So there we've got all that conduit and cabling. Beautiful. We've also got the brake chain attached between the truck and the chassis of the locomotive.
Fantastic.
While we're here, let's look at that stepwell detail. See-through etched metal steps. Very cool. And of course,
super cool.
Yep, all kinds of really neat SP detail. Gyralites. We're gonna look at that in a minute. This is our Santa Fe B36. This is the last engine we're looking at today.
Gorgeous. By the way, are we going to do the Kodachrome paint schemes in the next run?
I think we will. We probably will.
Yay!
We have to. I want one of those myself. Starting at the rear of the long hood, we've got the baffles that Santa Fe had installed from the factory.
I'm baffled by those
Oh,
baffles.
I'm sure you are. Santa Fe will remove these later on. We'll probably do that on the second release without the baffles. But looking towards the cab here, we've got the large anti-climber, which was a Santa Fe feature. We got air conditioner, the 3-chime horn. We've got the Sinclair antenna, which is mounted in reverse, which is actually correct. That was how quite a few of the units
You're telling me
operated.
that?
I am, but I'm pretty
You're
sure
stating
you
the
already.
obvious.
I know you already knew that. So
Of course.
preaching to the choir here.
Exactly.
All right, and of course we've got the operating Stratolite Beacon.
Let's fire that thing up.
All right, let's do it. All right, let's start with a quick function test on this model. We're going to start it up first on function 8.
That sounds pretty accurate for GE 7FTL 16-cylinder prime mover.
That's correct. We actually got a recording off of a real B36.
Beauty.
So we got the bell. And we've got our horn. Now we've got many different horns included on the decoder, so just a CV setting that's in your manual, and you can change that. All right, some of the cool lighting features we've got the class lights, which are built right into the nose, activated on function 11. We got that there. Okay, now we're going to activate the Stratolite Beacon on function 17.
Woohoo. Cool.
So let's have a look at the Doppler sequence. Get the engine started up. F5. Janet, what are you doing? We gotta finish the video. Come on.
Right. Don't forget, order your B36-7 today.
Yes, they're gonna be in stores very soon.
Can I go to yoga now?
Yes, you can go to yoga now. Janet's left for her yoga class, but I wanted to play with the SP a little more, so let's have a look at this. We got our headlight on already. We're going to activate the Gyralite on function 13. There we go. And also the UDE light on function 17. Ah, nice. This is awesome. Oh, that brake squeal. That's fantastic. Reverse. Get the full gyro headlight package on the long hood. Nice. Well, I'm happy. Now, Jason, tell me, on the Stratolite Beacon, how many lights do you see?